Can you put it back, please? Can you put it back together? Gwen, happy friends!
An action.
Help me!
We got this. Yay!
We stopped the video because there is one thing. Open it, please! Let's see what I got.
Wow, it's another hair.
No. I know. Look at it. It's a headband. So you can easily put it in. So you can...
No, it's okay. Just next, want to open this? See, this one.
There's something small. It's a baby model.
What next?
Let's see what I got. A little bit only for me. What's this?
Bottle.
Another hat. Wait.
There's a lot of hat.
No. It's another hair color.
Can I take one?
Look. See? Now, this is. You put it right here and then you put it back. That's how you put the head. Can you put it back, please? Can you put it back together? There's two hair now. And this is inside.
Okay.
Help me rip it back.
It's got balls. Look, where's my hair?
I open your hair. Wait. I got a zipper. I got the LOL zipper kit. Look.
What is it? It's for the back.
Wait a minute.
So you can put the hair like this and open up like this. Put it like this.
Throw it away. Throw it away.
Finally, you can do it like this.
No. Put it.
Ya, nanti. Oke, apa lagi?
Next, we're gonna open this.
This one.
Trash. Oop. Oh no, wait. A brush. Let's get the hair ready. Now we can get the hair. So you see, you have to open it.
So you can see this. See, it's you can put it here and put the
Hair
this
on.
here on this top,
And
and voila, you got a hair. That's cute.
you brush it. So satisfying to brush.
So So if you want to get the long hair, come on guys, here.
I want
So if you get the long hair, just pull it in the back right here. Oops, sorry.
oops.
This one.
And
First, we need to use this one,
because
like this, and the long one is right here.
the plastic is
See?
down.
Wow, that's so cute. You can dress them like anything you want. The cute hair.
I want to brush this. Oh, it's a bow! Easily make it like a bow.
Okay, what else you got?
I got more blinders. Oh, this one. Let's see what I got. I want this one. Open it. Hey guys,
Wait.
help me open it. Why are you putting another hair?
I just want to see. You can dress her like this too.
Or you can put it this.
Yeah.
If it's not half hair, put this.
Cat.
So satisfying. Why this curly is super hard?
Hey, it's okay. Don't open that. That's the her style.
Okay. I can't put the bow. Next. Let's open this blind bag. Help me please. Help me please. Help me please.
This one.
See what we got.
It's the dress.
Look, the dress. Oh, this is the one.
Mhm.
This.
You got the dress.
I got this skirt. I got the underwear.
Underwear.
Ah,
Wait.
what are you doing? Look, it has a shell. Look at guys. Guys, look at it. Look at it.
What?
It's a diamond.
Can you dress her?
You have to put the underwear first.
There's still more.
I can't. What is that? Help me, please.
There's two more.
I was scared. Open it, please.
Ta-da!
Like this.
This one. The last one.
No. No.
There's still more.
Look like this. Look like this.
Okay.
Not like that.
Okay. Ito yun yun. What is here?
Big boots. It's a ring.
Are you sure?
Put it right in the hand. Look, it's small. Put it right in the LOL's hand. And we're all done. Let's put it back.
Let me take a look. This one, you can put it like here. Di situ lah, kan bikin video.
I want to close the ball.
Taruh.
To roll me. There.
Okay, let's see to your friend.
Yo, you can stand first. You can see it.
Sit good. If you like this video, you can
Why we get?
like, comment,
Subscribe.
and
And
Gwen, happy friends.
TV. Thanks for watching. Bye. Unbox me.
Bye bye.
Unbox me.
Yeah. Thank you, and
And
are you done?
I'm done.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you to your friend.
Bye bye.
Wow.
Yeah.